so uncomfortable, and then I get another bag for.
What's the crackin' like YouTube? It's your girl Galena Medeli, and I am here with my first makeup tutorial. If you didn't watch my unboxing, I did say I was going to start doing makeup tutorials real soon on how I do my makeup. I'm nobody's professional, but I feel like I'm good enough for myself. So if you wanted to see how I created the look in the beginning of the video, then continue to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, notification bell on. Yeah, y'all, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is do my eyebrows. That normally takes a long, super long, like extra long time. So I'm going to do those off camera, and then we're going to get into this look. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go in with my Becca First Light Primer. This is like the best primer for me, so I'm just going to that all over. I don't want to OD on a primer, but I like to OD. I really need some matte primer because literally, y'all, I have oily skin, but I'm gonna show y'all a trick to get over that. So we're just gonna go in and put the primer on. So now that I'm finished priming my face, I am gonna go in with baking powder under my eyes where you see like the concealer and stuff, so it could be as smooth as possible. I'm going to grab my sachet baking powder, and this is in the color Buttercup. And y'all, I'm just gonna take a little, I don't know what type of brush this is. I use it for concealer, but I'm about to take it and just dab it on my eyelids. Okay, now that that is done, this is generally the time I like to get my eyeshadows and stuff out the way. So I'm really not going to do too much on the eyeshadow. So I just literally like to go. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm going to go into my crayon case palette, and I'm actually going to use like this dark brown right here. Now I'm kind of going to go in with some concealer to make me a little crease in my eye. Like I said, I'm not good at eyeshadow, so I'm kind of just doing what it do, and hopefully it come out right. So I generally use like a flat surface to put like my makeup and stuff on, but because I'm standing up and I'm not like directly in front of the sink, I'm going to be using my hand. Now I'm about to go back in the crayon case, and I'm going to use this. I don't know the name of none of these colors. I'm just going to show y'all what I'm using. So then I'm going to use this for my main eyelid.
If I feel like it's natural and it's going on my eyelid. That's what's happening here. Like I said, I'm not.
So once I'm done with that, okay, because this is like the best I'm going to get it. I kind of put my eyelashes on last because you never know. I don't know. I just like to put it on last. It makes sense to me. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with my Juvia's Place foundation sticks. Yeah, so I'm just going to go in, do a line of this. Remember, I couldn't say the name the first time. Okay, so I'm going to go in with that color, and I'm going to go in with Cameroon. And then, yeah, we just going to... I'll probably OD on foundation, but shit, I need it. Once I have that, I kind of... This whole look, I'm going to be using beauty blenders and eye brushes. I don't really use face brushes because I haven't gotten to like the I haven't gotten to like the whole face brush thing yet. I'm kind of just like a little beauty blender type girl. We're gonna be using a damp beauty blend to blend this out, so I'm just gonna get to blending, y'all. Pat pat pat. Kind of go like a shade deeper because my concealer is dumb light. So I'm about to go in with my Juvia's Palace concealer, and that's in the number 15 and 12. And I'm just gonna show y'all like what I be doing. So I put the dark one on first. Well, it's not really dark, but it's like more of a natural concealer compared to this other one I'm gonna place on top of it. But I kind of put that on first. I kind of let my concealer sit, but not really sit. And I have oily skin, y'all, so I need to start using like a matte primer, but it's like all the matte primers I use dry out my skin, so it's just like not a win-win for me. So now that we waited long enough, I'm gonna go in and blend, okay? It takes me a long time to blend, so I'm about to speed up this process real quick. Yeah. Go in with my baking powder, and I'm just gonna put that in the places I concealed. Understand it. Makeup is just an enhancement. It's just to make us be creative and explore with our outfits. I don't want nobody to feel like this is them, okay? I got so stuck into makeup that, bitch, I forgot what I looked like without it. So, and I didn't love myself without it. And I had to get to a point where, baby, you gotta stop wearing makeup until you feel like you fine. And now I feel fine. And yeah, y'all, I feel like that's important to know. That's important to think. I know it's a lot of us going through stuff, me included. You know, I'm not excluded. We go through financial situations, especially during this time. I know it's hard, but y'all, we just want to keep speaking things into existence, no matter if it's on pause or what. Find ways to kind of accomplish it, you know, things in that sort. I want everybody to be positive and themselves. And that's my goal pretty much today. Gonna let that bake, and while that's baking, we're gonna go in with our Stasia Beverly Hills contour stick, and we're gonna contour our face, honey, with the color Earth. Like I said, if you watch my unboxing, I'm pretty much using everything in there plus a little more. This type of brush to contour. I got this from my local beauty supply store, so I don't know the name of it. It just looks like this, okay? I'm just gonna go in and dust all the places that, you know, like I said, we all go through stuff. And just in case you were feeling down, just remember, everything in life is like a math equation. You may not find the answer right then and there, but you're definitely going to find the answer. And just look at, you know, going over the problem as barriers. Like, no matter what we go through, there's always an answer to it. There's always an answer. So we might not feel like, okay, it's not happening now, but eventually it's going to happen. Let me get back to dusting. Eventually it's going to happen. So I feel like it's important to carry that with us too, by the way. And contour using this brush. Don't know the name of it, by the way. I want to go in with setting spray. I'll go in setting spray twice as well. Use Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara, and I'm just gonna go in and, you know, turn these little brown eyelash hairs to black. So that's what I'm about to do, y'all. All right, so y'all, I'm back. I had a quick little intermission, but okay, I just finished baking. I see I set my face, everything is super set. I definitely left for a long time. Now that I finished setting my face, I'm now going to go in and put my lashes on. Because next all I have to do is my highlight, and I think we're going to be good to go, and my lips. So yeah, I normally use a brown pencil to highlight my lips. Why I keep saying highlight? To outline my lips, and then I go in with my lipsticks and stuff. Okay, y'all, now that I have my lashes on, I'm just now gonna go in with my highlighting powder. Okay, and I'm gonna be using highlighting powder from the crayon case. And this is called Anglola, and we're just gonna use this to highlight our face, okay? I generally don't use a highlight brush, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. Because I don't like my highlight to be too much, so I'm just gonna show y'all kind of like what I do. And once that's done, I'm just gonna spray again, y'all. And this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, y'all, this is my everyday makeup routine. I hope y'all enjoy.
He like this.